Hi guys! With your Kids Draw Toys TV. Today we have plasticine Play-Doh and we will make a magic ice cream. What you like to see? Then we start. First I will make ice cream strawberries. Take the plasticine red and roll it. I have such a magic glass. With it I cut a circle and then an oval. Wow! How such preparation turned it out. Cool, guys! With a head shape, I cut the edge of our oval. Now I need green plasticine. Roll it out and cut out the shape of the hat. Wow! And look what we did! This is a real strawberry, guys! Now we need to cut in leaves for our berries. Watch carefully now. I do it like this. And from white plasticine we will make sunflower seeds. Cool happening, right? See what my stick is for our ice cream. With this Mickey Mouse. Gently dress her with our strawberries. And whoa, is it ready? And we continue. Let's make an orange, plasticine yellow color and roll out with the help of magic glass. Cut a semicircle. It was awesome. Now we need to roll out the white clay. Look carefully. Cut a strip and sculpt in our semicircle. Now it is the turn of plasticine orange. We make this same strip, cut and sculpt in our white. Wow, wow, wow! It turns out! We need a little more orange plasticine for triangles. The orange slicks. Well, our orange is ready. Put in on bright green stick and voila, ice cream is ready. Even today, I want to show you how to make kiwi ice cream. We take plasticine salad color, roll well. The magic glass helped us to cut the circle. Now let's cut out the middle part. And fill in with a ball of white color plasticine. Cool, right? And from black plasticine we make seed for our kiwi. Wow, it was amazing. I have an orange Mickey Mouse one. And done! We are great guys. Bright popsicle ready. Watch our videos, subscribe to the channel and put your finger up in our like it. Bye bye guys!